How to get pink color notes on Instagram. Let's get started. First, make sure you are using the latest version of Instagram. To check that, launch your App Store or Play Store. Then search for the app Instagram. After app appears, if you find the option of update, just click on it and update the app to its latest version. Then you can launch it. You'll be directed to the home page. Now click on the message icon given at the top right corner. You'll be directed to the conversation page. Now click on the option Add Note. Now type in anything that you want to upload in your note. After you type in whatever you want to upload in your note, also include these heart emojis. Now share it. Your note will be updated as pink note. You can see that. So this way you are able to get pink color notes on Instagram. Whatever you type in your note, just include these heart emojis. With that, you're gonna get pink notes. So that's a wrap for this video. If this guide helped you out, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.